Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a book in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of things you will need in order to go ahead and create a book, and those are leather, sugar canes, and that is about it. And you'll get paper. Now, in order to go ahead and get leather, you can simply go ahead and kill some cows, horses, or anything of regards. And for sugarcane, you want to simply go ahead and look for a sandy area where there are some sugarcane normally harvesting. So once you collect both of those, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and take your sugarcane and then go to a crafting table and put 3 of these on the bottom, which will give you paper. Now, when you have that, you can simply go ahead and get your leather and paper. And now what we need to do is put your leather in the corner and put your paper just like how I did. There you go, and you have a book ready. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.